Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send voice message on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Once you open the Instagram app, click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then locate and click on the chat where you want to send the voice message. Now you should see a mic icon. So click on the mic icon. Now, you will need to enable microphone in settings to send a voice message. If you disable microphone, go ahead and click on settings and then enable microphone to send a voice message on Instagram. Then go back to Instagram again, click on the messenger icon, then select the chat, click on the mic icon. Then it should say a waveform comes up and this is going to record whatever you say in form of a voice note or a voice message. Then click on send. When they are done, then you should see it like this. So if you want to send another voice message, go ahead, press the mic icon and then send it. To delete the voice message, click on this trash icon. Then start all over again. So that is basically how to send voice message on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.